Back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig, and I'm going to be showcasing a symmetrical bob. And it does come in this satin bag. There's also a dark wig cap, which I love when they send the darker wig caps. And that is just the wig information. This is what the unit looks like. It's a silky texture. It's 130% in density. This is Indian hair. It does have a 13x6 parting space area, and this is 16 inches in length. So that is what the parting space area looks like. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also get your adjustable elastic band. I went ahead and cut off the lace in the back, and then I adjusted my straps, and then I tightened up this elastic band. This is a cap size one, which fits me really good. I do have a small head, and I find that their wigs fit me pretty good. I don't have to worry about it flopping off or being too big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on real quick. So this is what it is looking like on so far, and as you can see, it is longer on this side, it's shorter on this side. I actually like the density on this. It feels really nice for it to be 130%. I'm noticing a little bit of snags when I run my fingers through right here, but hopefully once I run my flat iron through, that should be good. Now this is supposed to have the deep and ultimate pre-plucked hairline, so let's see. Okay. It's looking nice. That looks good. And then of course the parting space is bleached. And that's what it looks like right here. Now, of course, you could part this another way if you choose to, but with this being asymmetrical, you kind of want to keep it the way it is so it'll have that look. Unless you want to end up just chopping it even after you have worn it for so many times. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this. It should be easy. Quick, simple, and easy, okay? It should be easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this, and then of course I'll be back so you guys can see the final look and hear my final thoughts. The first thing that I decided to do was go around the front of the hairline with some of the wax, because I noticed some shorter hairs and some flyaways going on, and then I used my hot comb to just press everything back. And then I had to go on the side and cut down some of that lace so it could sit above my ear. And then I used my bobby pins for extra security. I did want a glueless install, so I went in with a little bit of my olive oil mousse. A little bit definitely goes a long way. What I decided to do was add a little bit of swoops on this side, and I didn't like do a swoop, but enough that it just molded into place. I didn't have to do anything extra. Now, of course, when I took off the elastic band, I decided to put a little one right here, but I feel like it still looks natural and it's not taking away from the hairline. Being molded into place really nice. Look at the hairline. I feel like it looks good. I didn't have to go in and do any extra plucking. I also didn't put any powder around the hairline. I only put powder into the parting space area to open it up more. I feel like the parting space looks more open right here, but I'm noticing back here it's definitely a little bit tighter. And then when I was looking at the parting in the middle, I feel like it's more open. So you could go in and open it up a little bit more, but I feel like powder is okay. So put some wax at the top, and I use my hot comb to flatten everything out. I didn't have any issues with getting this to lay down flat, but I noticed a lot of shorter hairs going on towards the top, and I didn't want to put too much wax because this is a silky texture, so I didn't want it to come off super shiny. So I added a little bit more of my mousse to get it to lay down, and it's laying down really good now. I'm noticing just a little bit, but not as much as it was before. I noticed more shorter hairs going on this side. Issues with straightening out the hair. I told you guys when I took it out of the package, I noticed a few little snags going on towards the ends when I was running my fingers through it. Now that the hair is straightened out, it definitely feels nicer and also softer. I do recommend though that you go in with some type of serum to help with frizziness and flyaways, because that is one thing that I noticed going on with this unit. I like the density on this unit because I feel like it's wearable for every day. At first I was like 130% in density. Is this going to look thin? But it doesn't look thin at all. Now on the website, if you feel like 130% is just not your cup of tea and you want something really thick and full, they do offer the 13x6 and 180%. But I am here to tell you, I feel like this one looks fine. Really all depends on what you like. I'm not noticing any thinness going on up in this area at all. When I turn around, I feel like it looks really good. The length on this is also fine. I'm not minding it being longer on this side and then shorter on this side because of course that's the look. Now, I did just recently do another Myfirstwig bob. Make sure to leave a link down below because if you're not feeling the asymmetrical and you want something that's just even all the way around, then you might want to check out that video. So if you are not a fan of silky texture, they do offer this in Yaki. I think that this look came out really cute. You guys let me know what you think. I feel like it's nice and sleek, but it's also giving professional. You can wear this every day, but this is one you can definitely take to the office. It's giving, how may I help you? You know, with a little hair flick. Yes, what do you need? Of course, I got it. That's what it's given. But if you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.